Hi, are you a student here?
Yes, second-year student.
Do you like this university?
Yes, very much.
Is this your first day?
No, second year now.
Do you have many classes?
Yes, 5 classes today.
Is your schedule busy?
Yes, very busy week.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Is it hard?
Yes, quite challenging.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love it.
Where is room 101?
Just down the hall.
Is it far from here?
No, very close.
Do you know the professor?
Yes, very good professor.
Is the professor strict?
A little strict sometimes.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, quite a lot.
Is the library open now?
Yes, open all day.
Where is the library?
Second floor, turn left.
Do you study there often?
Yes, every afternoon.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, very quiet.
Do you have a locker?
Yes, number 42.
Is your locker nearby?
Yes, just over there.
Do you have textbooks?
Yes, 3 textbooks today.
Are they heavy?
Yes, very heavy today.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, always take notes.
Is your notebook full?
Almost full. Need another.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, right here.
Can I borrow one?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Is there a cafeteria here?
Yes, on ground floor.
Is the food good?
Yes, pretty good actually.
Is it expensive?
No, very affordable.
Do you eat there daily?
Yes, every single day.
Is there a gym here?
Yes, near the cafeteria.
Do you use the gym?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
Do you have good grades?
Yes, working hard for them.
Is studying here difficult?
Sometimes, but very rewarding.
Do you have exams soon?
Yes, next week, actually.
Are you ready for them?
Almost ready, studying hard.
Do you study every day?
Yes, at least 2 hours.
Is 2 hours enough?
Sometimes need a little more.
Do you have a study partner?
Yes, my classmate helps.
Is your classmate smart?
Yes, very smart person.
Do you attend all lectures?
Yes, never miss one.
Is attendance important here?
Yes, very important here.
Do you participate in class?
Yes, I ask questions.
Is the professor helpful?
Yes, always answers questions.
Is the campus big?
Yes, very big campus.
Do you get lost here?
Not anymore. Know it well.
Is there a student union?
Yes, very active union.
Do you join clubs here?
Yes, the science club.
Do you have friends here?
Yes, many good friends.
Is university life fun?
Yes, very enjoyable life.
Do you live on campus?
Yes, in the dormitory.
Is the dormitory comfortable?
Yes, quite comfortable room.
Do you have a roommate?
Yes, very friendly roommate.
Is your roommate also studying?
Yes, studying engineering.
Do you help each other?
Yes, we study together.
Is your course long?
4 years in total.
Are you enjoying it so far?
Yes, every single day.
Do you have a part-time job?
No, just studying now.
Is studying your main focus?
Yes, absolutely my focus.
Do you use the computer lab?
Yes, almost every day.
Is the internet fast here?
Yes, very fast connection.
Do you submit work online?
Yes, everything is online.
Is online submission easy?
Yes, very easy system.
Do you have a student card?
Yes, always carry it.
Is it useful on campus?
Yes, for everything here.
Do you get student discounts?
Yes, many good discounts.
Is university expensive here?
Yes, but worth it.
Do you have a scholarship?
Yes, partial scholarship.
Is the scholarship helpful?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you recommend this university?
Yes, absolutely recommended.
Will you finish your degree?
Yes, definitely I will.
Do you have big dreams?
Yes, very big dreams.
Will university help you achieve them?
Yes, I truly believe so.
Are you glad you came here?
Yes, best decision ever.